Looking to increase your energy and endurance? Although there are short-term solutions, the best methods for enhancing energy over the long term are a balanced diet, adequate hydration with lots of water, and high-quality sleep. But for a quick boost, many resort to coffee and energy drinks. According to the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, a moderate intake of up to 400 milligrams of caffeine per day, or about 4 to 5 cups of coffee, should be safe for most people. However, the majority of energy drinks also include obscene levels of added sugar, chemicals, and food colorings. If you're searching for a healthy option, nutritionists have put together a list of some of the best energy drink choices that emphasize natural caffeine sources and low levels of added sugar, as opposed to synthetic caffeine. Especially if you consume additional caffeinated beverages and foods throughout the day, our experts advise checking the caffeine amount on the label to prevent ingesting more than 200 milligrams of caffeine per drink, equal of 2 cups of coffee. B vitamins are often added to various selections, which may give them an additional natural boost. The top energy drinks are listed here. Zevia, a company well recognized for its delicious stevia-based soda substitutes, has applied the same sugar-free philosophy to the energy drink market. This selection from the non-GMO project is sugar-free and contains 120 milligrams of organic caffeine per can. Each tropical taste is cooling, with organic stevia leaf extract providing sweetness. This healthy option, which is free of artificial colors and preservatives, is one of our top picks. ZOA Health Warrior Energy Drink No Sugar. This energy drink, developed by Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson, has 160 milligrams of caffeine from natural sources including green tea extract, and is available in a range of delectable flavors. The option with no added sugar includes just 15 calories and 250 milligrams of branched-chain amino acids. One can also provide all of your daily requirements for vitamins B6, C, and B12. Our experts adore the ease of use of Nuun Energy, which delivers an effective combination of organic green tea, ginseng, B vitamins, and electrolytes for an instant energy boost. These tablets provide rapid-acting, long-lasting energy and focus since they contain 80 milligrams of caffeine and 20 milligrams of adaptogens. Berry Blast, Tropical Punch, Ginger Lime Zing, and Watermelon Burst are some of the flavors. Samba Zone Amazon Energy. Just 40 calories and 7 grams of sugar are in this antioxidant-rich energy drink, which contains 150% of your recommended daily intake of vitamin C. Our nutritionists adore the healthy pairing of acai berry and pomegranate, as well as the fact that this option is USDA organic. The two sources of the 120 milligrams of caffeine are yerba mate and green tea. FOCUSAID Clean Energy LIFEAID. This cool choice includes a serving of stimulating B vitamins. Green tea and yerba mate provide the 10 milligrams of natural caffeine boost. The choice that is certified vegan and gluten-free also has a reduced calorie count. This well-liked option contains organic agave nectar and organic stevia leaf extract for the ideal level of sweetness and is free of sucralose.